I want to now ask one of our members here to direct the next question. Let me introduce Dr. Mubin Shah, who is the head of the Istanbul Kashmir House. Dr. Mubin Shah.
In the name of Allah, Excellency, it's a pleasure to talk to you directly today. Excellency, this is Dr. Mubin Shah, Kashmiri in exile. As far as we can tell, in its hour of need, Pakistan has all but abandoned Kashmir in everything but rhetoric. What is your and PTI's solution for the people of Kashmir? When in power, how would you maneuver support for Kashmiri resistance movement, taking Ukraine as a model within Muslim world, with OIC as the biggest support factor to impose sanctions and back resistance of Kashmiris militarily? In these challenging times, what is Pakistan's solution to grave issues faced by Muslims in South Asia, particularly in India? Excellency, I thank you.
Well, Mubin, you know, when I was the Prime Minister, we took a very strong stand for Kashmir. And I think you would have known that we have my government at least, on every international forum we spoke about the people of Kashmir, especially after 5th August 2019, when they took away the statehood of Kashmir, which was against all international laws. It was against the United Nations Security Council resolution, which clearly stated that, Kashmir would have a special status until they were given the right of self-determination. So without giving them the right of self-determination, they took away the statehood. So we stood with the people of Kashmir and we broke all relationship with India. And that has remained up to this point. It's the case now that we actually have broken relationship with India, and at every international forum we have tried to put pressure on them. Now, apart from that, what else can we do? Give them moral support them everywhere. But when you say, I don't know what you mean. I mean, do you think we should militarily go into Kashmir, which is obviously clearly not an option? There are two nuclear armed countries. It's not a Ukraine type situation. Pakistan and India, the moment there is a conflict, I think there is always a danger that it will go out of hand. You know, in Ukraine, for instance, if Ukraine had nuclear weapons, firstly, this might not have happened, this conflict. But had it happened, the whole world would have been petrified of a nuclear war. So therefore, with Pakistan, India, military solutions are not an option. Short of that, what else can we do? Well, raise it on every forum, and it has cost Pakistan quite a lot by breaking away all diplomatic relationships with India since 5th August 2019.
So what kind of words of hope